10th class student, exercise 12.3, areas related to circles. Question number 14. That is figure AB and CD. O is center, CO 7 semi, and OB is equal to 21 semi. Find the area of dotted part. Angle is 30. We find the area of shaded region. Theta is equal to 30 degree, capital R, outer radius. Is equal to 21 semi, and inner radius is equal to 7 semi. Area of shaded part is equal to theta upon 360 pi capital R square minus small r. That is formula. Theta is equal to 30 degree upon 360, pi value is 22 upon 7, capital R is equal to 21 semi minus 7 square. 31 upon 12 into 22 upon 7, 21 plus 7 and 21 minus 7. After plus minus, formula is a square minus b square. 22 upon 7 into, after plus is 28, after minus is 14. 7 4 ja 48, 28 और 4 3 ja 12 upon 3, 20 14 2 ja 28, 2 carry 28 or 30. Semi square is area of the shaded part or region. Question number 14 is complete. 15 question is figure ABC is right triangle. 90 angle at A, C and B. Triangle ABC and sector ABC, and a semicircle at diameter of BC. Radius of quadrant AC is 14 cm. We find the area of this part. This part will be 3 figure are one a triangle, right triangle, and one a sector, and one a is semicircle. At first find the value of triangle ABC and area of semicircle. Then subtract the area of sector ABC. Radius of quadrant (14 cm). Area of sector ABC is equal to theta. Here is quadrant is 90 degree. Theta upon 360 pi r square is formula. Theta value is 90 upon 360. Pi value is 22 upon 7. R value is 14. 19 1 ja 19 4 ja 1 upon 4 into 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. 7 2 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4, 2 11 ja 22. After multiply 11 and 14, 154. Semi square is area of sector who show the unshaded. In triangle BAC, angle A is equal to 90. Area of triangle ABC 1 by 2 base into perpendicular or height and altitude 1 by 2 base will be 14 and height will be 14. Both are ready of the quadrant. 2 7 ja 98. Semi square is area of triangle ABC. In right triangle ABC, B. Find the BC. BC will be hypotenuse AC plus AB. Both are ready. BC, we find 14 square plus 14 square. BC square is equal to 196 plus 196. BC square is equal to 39. BC will be under root 392 after 14 under root 2. Same is BC. In right triangle, BC will be diameter of semicircle is equal to BC is equal to 14 under root 2. Then radius R is equal to 14 under root 2 upon 2. Divide by 2 is 7. 7 under root 2. Semi is radius of semicircle. Area of semicircle is equal to 1 by 2 pi r square is formula 1 by 2 22 upon 7. 7 under root 2 is r value 1 by 2 22 upon 7 into after square 49 multiply 2. 2 divided by 2 7 divided by 49 7 ja. After multiply 154. Semi square is area of semicircle. But we want to area of shaded. Area of shaded portion is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of semicircle minus area of sector is equal to 154. Area is semicircle. 98 is area of triangle and minus 154 semi square is area of sector. After minus 98 semi square will be area of area of shaded part. Question number 15 is complete. Question number 16. 16 question is Question number 16 is a square. Which side of the 8 semi? Eight semi square. Square is will be angle will be 90. Quadrant, one quadrant this side, another quadrant is opposite side. We find the area of design. Design will be this part. Side of square is equal to 8 semi. Then area is equal to side square is formula of square. Area of square side is equal to 8. 8 square is equal to 64. Semi square is area of the complete square. Both sector are equal. Theta is equal to 90 degree each angle of square, and radius of sector is equal to 18 semi. Area of both parts are equal. Area of both sector. Both sector are equal. 2 upon theta upon 360. Pi r square is formula. 2 into theta value is 90 upon 360. Pi value is 22 upon 7. And r value is 8. 8 square 4 ja 2 ja 11 ja 11 upon 7 into 8 into 8 is equal to, after multiply, 84. 704 upon 7. Semi square area of both sector. Area of design to find area of design. Part is equal to area of both sector minus area of square. 704 upon 7. We find the area of both sector, and 64 is area of square. After LCM, 704 minus 7 4 ja 28 44. After minus 6, 5 and 2. Semi-square is area of design part. Thank you.